sold my vacuum cleaner. It was just gathering dust. I used to be addicted to the hokey pokey until I turned myself around. I got a new pen that can write underwater. It can write other words as well, to be fair. My coffee tasted like dirt. Then I realised it's ground coffee. My friend is a drummer and has just had triplets. He's called them Anna 1, Anna 2, Anna 3. I know a joke about memory loss. I know a joke about repetition. I'm so good at sleeping that I do it with my eyes closed. I'm writing a book about glue, but I'm stuck on the first chapter. I was going to tell you a joke about time travel, but you didn't like it. Always leave them wanting more is what my granddad said, which is why he lost his job in disaster relief. My other granddad, Sid, was a victim of identity theft. Now we call him S. My other granddad says, cheer up, it could be worse. You could be stuck in a hole full of water. He means well. My other granddad is a train enthusiast and was recently down and depressed. We pushed him under a steam train. He was chuffed to bits. Exit signs on the way out. 4 blondes walk into a bar. You think one would notice. 2 scientists go into a bar. One says, I'll have an H2O. The other one says, I'll have an H2O too. The second one died. You might have to Google that one. Dave drowned. At his funeral, we gave him a wreath shaped like a lifebelt. It's what he would have wanted. What's red and smells of paint? Red paint. What's blue and smells like red paint? Blue paint. What's large, grey, and doesn't matter? An elephant. What's grey and has a trunk? A mouse going on holiday. What's brown and has a trunk? A mouse coming back from holiday. Why do ducks have webbed feet? To stamp out fires. Why do elephants have flat feet? So they can stamp out burning ducks. If life gives you melons, you probably are dyslexic. Today, I watched a documentary on marijuana. I think all documentaries should be watched this way. Become a vegetarian is a huge mistake. Has anyone seen my camouflage trousers? Police have confirmed that the man who fell from an 18th story nightclub was not a bouncer. What did one hat say to the other? You stay here, I'll go on ahead. What's brown and sticky? Stick. I hated facial hair, but then it grew on me. Want to hear a joke about construction? I'm still working on it. You can't trust atoms. They make up everything. R.I.P. boiling water. You'll be missed.
Lovely. Hope you've enjoyed. See you again.